Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple audio files into one using Audacity. Audacity is a free open source audio editing software, meaning you can use it for free, totally for free, 100%. Okay, so let's get into the video. Alright, we are already in Audacity, and this is what the interface looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay, so when you are here, what you should do is to import the audio files that you want to edit, or if you want to record here, you can also record by clicking on this red button and it will start recording. Okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, I already have 3 audio files that I want to use. Alright, so let's import the audios by going to File, then click Import, then click Audio. Alright, then we select the 3 audios here, then we click Open. Alright, now we have imported the 3 audio files that we want to use. Okay, now let's select all of them by clicking Ctrl A. Okay, now that we have selected the audios, we go to Tracks. Okay, then click on Align Tracks, then click on Align End to End. Yeah, as you can see, they have been aligned. They have been aligned in such a way that as one is ending, the other one is starting. Okay, the other one is starting automatically. Okay, you won't even notice a stop. Alright, you won't even notice a stop. As one is ending, the next is starting immediately without wasting time. Alright, but it is not yet how we want it to be. Alright, because as you can see, the interface is looking messy somehow. Alright, so for us to make it look nice and well organized, we have to go to Tracks again, click Tracks. This time around, you click Mix. Alright, then click Mix and Render. Yeah, you see, they have been properly organized and they combined. Okay, so from here you export the audio to your to any place you want to save them, or any folder you want to save them. Alright, you export by clicking File, then export as MP3. Alright, so here you can rename the audio if you want, but you can as well leave it like this. It's your choice, it depends on what you want. So let me go ahead and rename it. Okay, let me rename my own audio. Yes. Okay, then you can save them. You can choose the folder you want to save them to here. Okay, assuming you want to save them in documents or desktop or downloads or anywhere. As for me, I want to save them in music. Okay, then click Save, then click OK. Alright, now let's go and play them and see what it sounds like. Let's go to, okay, so this is it here, my 3 audio. So let's play it and see how it sounds like. So this one has ended. Another one will start now. Yeah, another one. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have combined 3 audio files into one file. Okay, very easy and very smoothly. Okay, so this is how to combine audio files into one in Audacity. Alright, so like I said earlier, Audacity is a free open source audio editing software. Okay, you can just type Audacity in Google, okay, and it will take you to the website where you can download it for free. Okay, or to make it easier for you, my subscribers, I will just leave the link of the software in the description below. Okay, just click the link and it will take you to their website. Then you download it. Okay, it is 100% free. Alright, and I recommend it any day, anytime for audio editing because it is very efficient. Very efficient. Okay, I bet you're gonna like it. Alright, thank you for sticking till this minute. Okay, if you like the video, please do well to share it and like the video. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please, I would appreciate it if you can just hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.